How to stop background apps on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can stop background apps on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. To stop background apps on your Android, there is not many options. What you can do to stop it is by using the recent apps. So to head over to the recent apps screen, all you have to do is just swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Doing that will open up the recent apps section. So first, let's open up some random apps here. Let's say settings. Let me just open up Spotify and a few of those. You might already have some apps opened before, so now simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen. So when you're on an app like this, if you swipe up from the bottom of your screen, you will be on the recent apps tab. So after you're here, you'll need to manually close them. So you can manually close them by swiping it up from the bottom of the screen like this, or you will find a clear all button like this. You can tap on that to clear all of the background apps. So that's manually clearing them, but for a more permanent solution, you'll need to head over to your settings. So go to your settings. After you're there, head over to the apps option. Locate apps on your settings and then open it up. After you open up apps on your settings, you'll need to select an app that you want. So select that. So let's say Spotify. And after doing that, what you'll have to do is simply tap on the force stop option. Now this will stop you from using the app as well, but it will also restrict its background uses. So it won't be running in the background. And yeah, that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.